In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change interests in Facebook dating. First, open the Facebook app on your device. This is the foundation of your journey into Facebook dating. You will see the familiar layout of the app with various options available at your fingertips. The app is designed for ease of navigation, so don't worry if you're new to it. Just locate the app icon, tap it, and you will be greeted by your news feed. This is the starting point for accessing all the features within Facebook, including dating. Next, tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen on mobile devices. When you tap on it, a side menu will appear, showing you different sections of Facebook. This menu is your gateway to various features, including settings, groups, and importantly, Facebook dating. Take your time and explore the options if you need to before proceeding. Once that is done, you will need to tap on the dating option. This option is typically found towards the top of the menu. When you tap on dating, you will enter the dating section of the app. This area is specifically designed for connecting with potential matches. It is important to navigate to this section as it houses all the tools you will need for your dating experience. Now, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Your profile icon is usually represented by a silhouette or your profile picture. Tapping on it will take you to your dating profile, where you can see your current interests and other information you've shared. This step is crucial, as it allows you to make personalized adjustments to your profile, enhancing your chances of finding a compatible match. From there, tap on Dating Profile. Here you will find all the details you've set up for your Facebook dating profile. This includes your photos, a brief bio, and importantly, your interests and hobbies. By reaching this point, you are one step closer to refining your profile to attract the right matches. After that, tap on Edit Profile. This option allows you to make changes to any part of your dating profile. You'll see a list of all the sections you can edit. This is important because updating your profile ensures that it accurately reflects your current interests and hobbies, which can significantly improve your dating experience. Next, scroll to Interests or Hobbies and Interests. This section is where you can showcase what you enjoy doing in your free time. Interests are a key component in matching with others, as they help highlight what you are passionate about. By taking the time to curate this list, you can attract like-minded individuals, making your search for a match more effective. Now tap on Edit or Add Interests. This will open up a list of potential interests you can choose from. You can also search for specific interests if you have something particular in mind. This step allows you to personalize your profile even further. It's an opportunity to showcase your personality, so choose interests that genuinely represent you. Once you've made your selections, it's time to remove any interests you no longer want. This step is just as crucial as adding new ones. Keeping your interests updated ensures that your profile remains relevant and true to who you are. To remove an interest, simply tap on the Remove option next to it. After that, tap Save to ensure all your changes are finalized. This action is essential because it confirms that all the updates you've made are now part of your profile. You will see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that your updates have been successfully saved. Finally, return to your profile to confirm the changes. This step allows you to view your updated profile in its entirety. Take a moment to ensure everything looks the way you want. This final check is important because it gives you confidence that your profile is now reflective of your true interests. With these changes made, you are now ready to connect with potential matches on Facebook dating.